Okay, here we have a orange Comfort Gazzelle frame from a hybrid electric bike, which unfortunately there was a problem with this electric bike and it was replaced by Gazzelle under manufacturer's warranty, of which they insisted that we cut through the frame to no longer allow any use from it. But we emailed the picture and they sent a new bike through. But me, not being a wasteful type, like to see somebody do something with it, just use it for parts or maybe even repair it. But it's been cut through there, and although the frame has had some use, it's pretty tidy and a little bit scratched up, etc. I'm not sure what size it is, but it's that's it. Anybody got any use for it? Message me. Thank you.